Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Johnny, Chloe is here. Say something about Chloe.
She is my friend.
Good. Now, Chloe likes you. And you?
I like she,
No, I like her.
but she is she.
She is she when she does something. Her when something happens to her.
Robert, that is difficult.
It is. Listen. Me. You. He, him. She, her. We, us. They, them.
2 lists.
One list does. One list receives.
I see him. He sees me.
Yes. Same two people. Different words.
I see her. She sees me.
Perfect.
I like her. She likes me.
Johnny, that is true.
I know. It is grammar and it is true.
Milo. Do you see Johnny?
I see him.
Do you like him?
I see him.
That is not the question.
It is my answer.
Milo. Say it with them.
I see them. They see me. They talk to me. They never stop.
For sentences with me and them.
He is complaining in perfect English.
I complain in every language.
Milo. Do you see me?
I see you.
Do you hear me?
Everybody hears you.
Do you like me?
Milo. It is a simple question.
It is a simple question with a difficult answer.
Say it with him. It is easier.
What?
Do not say, I like you. Say, I like him. I am not listening.
Johnny, that makes no sense.
It has grammar sense.
I like him.
I am not listening.
I know. That is why I said it.
Robert. Did that just happen?
Chloe, that dog invented a way for a cat to say a thing. In a language he did not speak 6 months ago.